Hello members of the Horde, this is my first video tutorial, so I want to introduce myself first. My name is Felipe Fonseca, I'm the User Community Manager of the Subutai platform. I've been working for Opt-in since September last year and have been able to learn a lot about the product, and I want to show you some interesting things that we can do with the Subutai platform. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to create a private peer-to-peer cloud on the Subutai platform and run Nextcloud from this environment. One great benefit of doing this is knowing exactly where your files will be stored for easy access and for control over who gets to view them. You will find the requirements for this tutorial in the video description or in my Nextcloud blog post. Let's begin. Here is the Nextcloud website. You can find it on nextcloud.com. I encourage you first to have a look at it and understand how powerful this open source software is. It allows you to back up files to your own cloud and synchronize these files between different devices in a seamless way. Let's proceed to the Subutai Bazaar, the marketplace of Subutai platform. I am logged in, as you can see. Let's first go to the peers page. Here you will see a list of what we call peers. In Subutai lingo, that means virtual machines or nodes that can act as servers. You can use your own peers, peers of friends or family, or even rent from other users within the Subutai community. For this demo, I'm going to rent a peer, so I'll click Add to Favorites here. When choosing a peer, make sure that it's online and take note of your requirements, for example, disk space and memory. We're now ready to set it up with Nextcloud. I'll head over to the Products page and go to Application Blueprints. Let's look for the Nextcloud Blueprint. Here you can see information about this specific blueprint. Click Build to go to the Blueprint wizard, where you can start your setup. The first screen of the wizard will ask for blueprint variables. These variables change depending on the requirements of the specific application. After entering the variables, I'll click Start to proceed. Next, you'll see the domain and port numbers. Check that the subdomain is correct. That's all we have to do here, so I'll click Next. Now we see all the peers that I have added as favorites in the past. Let me look for the peer that I have just added to use for Nextcloud. To select this peer, I have to check the box. This page confirms that we have finished the setup. You will also see the reminder basically telling us that we have to wait for the build to complete and to be patient, because that might take a few minutes. As soon as I click Finish, I will be redirected to the Environments page, where the build will automatically start. You can now see that the environment is running on these containers. In the Container Port Mapping page, you can confirm that your subdomain is working. Click the link to finish the Nextcloud installation procedure on your browser. First, choose a name and password for your admin user. Then, you need to fill in the same variables you have provided before when preparing the environment: database username, password, and database name. Then, click Finish Setup. As you can see, now you have your very own Nextcloud installation, built with little effort within Subutai's peer-to-peer cloud. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope that you've learned something new today. Watch out for more Subutai tutorials and videos in this channel. Feel free to comment or request for tutorials.